Interrail, EU-Rail, Rail Planner, however you want to call it. I was gifted a 7-day EU-Rail free pass as I finished high school and I am over age 18. This saved me 250 euros, which is the price of a pass like this, and this is the series of my road trip across 7 European countries and 7 capital cities. Enjoy! Oh man, Jesus. I didn't think it would be this at this height, you know. There's a lot of steps, stairs, you know, and yeah, whatever. I mean, how much can I complain? It's a castle. And I think this is the entrance right here. Yeah, I think it is. So this is the Bratislava castle. Look at that view. Look at that view. So Bratislava is the same as Budapest. It's basically split down the middle by the Danube River. Here they call it the Dunai River, I think. And yeah, that's the Danube River right there. And basically I'm on the big side of Bratislava, and that's the lower side, you know, the smaller side of Bratislava. And that's where I arrived. I arrived right there in a train station, and I got on a bus across this bridge. And the thing about the difference is, I mean, the thing about Budapest is what I found out is that actually there's two cities, I think. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. There's like the Buda city, which is the side of the river where I went to the Buda castle. So that's the Buda city, and the big side of Budapest in Hungary, the side in which I was located yesterday, that side is called Pest. And maybe the both cities united, and now it's called Budapest, you know. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. I saw this on a bus, I think, or no, in the train station I saw this when I left. So yeah, this is Bratislava, and this is the Bratislava castle, and this is a really good viewpoint of the other city, of the other part of the city. And I might go at a monument called Slavin monument, I think. Slavin monument, which is basically a monument for the Slavs for the Second World War, and it's basically a really good viewpoint of this side of the city. But it's pretty far away. And now I'm heading back to the city center, because there's like a street, a famous street, which is right there. I mean, I was near it, but I wanted to see the castle first. I mean, look at this thing. So now I'm heading back to the old town and going down that street. And I think there's something called like Michael's Gate. They told me about it at the reception too. I don't know what it is, but I think it's on that street, on the street that I'm going right now. But look at that. That's the Slavin monument, the one that I was just talking about, right there. You probably don't see it. It's like a spear. But it's not that high. I mean, it's on the same level as this. So I don't know if I'm gonna go there. As I said, it's pretty far away. So let me check the view from here of this part of the city. We got some other vloggers back there, I think, maybe. I mean, I'm not really a vlogger. I don't consider myself a vlogger. It's just something that I do. I'm a traveler, you know. I'm a traveler, and I basically film where I travel so I can watch it in the next years, you know, as a memory. So you can get a pretty good view here, you know, of the old town, of this side of the city. So I don't think I'm gonna go to the Slavin monument. I mean, maybe if I have time. It's starting to rain. I don't know, but maybe. Now hold up a moment. Before we continue on with the vlog, I want to inform you on the ways in which you can support me with the channel. As you can imagine, the money I spend on these videos is different each time. Depends on the location, on the transport, accommodation, the food, etc. Some videos end up costing me almost nothing, but there are videos that end up costing me a bit. YouTube doesn't cover even a bit of my spending since the channel is not monetized at the moment, and even if it would be, I don't have a huge following just yet, so this spending adds up after some time, and it makes it really difficult to plan any further adventures for vlogs on my channel in the future. So if you like my work and enjoy my vlogs, there are different ways in which you can help me out. You can join my Patreon, which will allow you to direct contact with me and early access to future videos. There is also a Revolut link if you want to use credit card. And finally, there are my personal cryptocurrency addresses which you can send crypto to in your coin of choice. There is Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Monero and Cardano. All of the info is in the description. And now let's get back to the vlog. Alright, so I can get a better view from here, I think, of this side of the city. I tried it from up there, from the castle, but I'm gonna try it again here. So look at that. I mean, the GoPro is pretty bad on zooming. I could zoom, but you will still not see anything. So, and there's the St. Martin's Cathedral or whatever, and there's the old town. That's where I'm going right now. What I've seen is that the city is full by embassies. You see, there's the Spain embassy, there's the UK embassy, and I think there's the Syrian embassy or Iraq. This is the Armenian embassy. There's the Slovenian embassy. There's the Portugal one, the Albanese. I mean, Albanian. I mean, this isn't something that I would do. I mean, you're basically giving all these countries embassies in old town buildings. I don't know, they could have placed them somewhere else. So this is the famous street of the whatever it's called, and there's Michael's Gate, that tower right there, but it's under construction, as you can see. So yeah, that's basically what you can see of the Michael's Gate. And here you go, more embassies. So you have Italy, you have Georgia, you have Switzerland, Macedonia, Cyprus. What's this, Luxembourg? Or is it Netherlands? I think it's Luxembourg. All in the same building. Yeah, so this is Michael's Gate. Yeah, at least we can go through it. We can go through the gate, through Michael's Gate. So here I am walking under Michael's Gate. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I was looking down the road and I saw that building with the flag, and I was like, no way, that's the Nepalese embassy, because it kind of looks like the Nepalese flag, you know, it's square. But then I saw it's just like a Slovak logo, so that's like a Slovakian building. And here we have some other embassy that's like from the distance I thought it was the Lebanese one, but looks different. Maybe it's the Austrian flag with a symbol in the middle. And further down the road is the Hungarian one, which I guess they were not good enough to have one of those good embassies from the old town. So what that is, I think, maybe that could be the presidential palace. Maybe, could be, I don't know. But right now I'm gonna go to a shop, get some water, get some stuff, and then I'll go back to my room, and after that maybe I'll go to the Slavian monument. We'll see. Traditional Slovak cola. Let's try it. Nah. Ugh. Jesus. First of all, it doesn't even taste like cola. It tastes like some kind of syrup. Some kind of, I don't know, it tastes weird. And it has this kind of cherry flavor, maybe even plum flavor. Hey, I think it has a plum flavor. Nah, this ain't it, bro. This ain't it. Slovak cola. It's a miss. This is a miss, Slovakia. I'm sorry, but this is definitely a miss.